My name is Betty Morgan Burris. I'm currently a facilities manager at a privately owned oil and gas company in Texas. So some of the challenges we faced, the different company, we had no real estate planning module, no PM module, we didn't have a good assets allocation module, and we needed to make sure we could capture that data. I researched several different products, and then, I finally met with some of the head people, including Brian Haynes, and that's when we decided to move forward. It was what we needed, had everything, all the bells and whistles. It helps you be more efficient, it helps you capture more data, and it helps you analyze what buildings and what things we need to do. It also helps us with our real estate, because we get the email to tell us, hey, your lease is up in 90 days, 120 days. I use it for just about everything. I really like being able to capture the PMs and cap all my capital projects and stuff, because I kind of geek out on the numbers. The biggest benefit from the product, I would say space management. So that's very helpful. And again, the real estate module, it makes it more efficient. Because you're using less time and less hours. And we even have all of our key management in there now, which is super awesome. So that works out very well. It's been a great product for us, and we've utilized it so much, it's been very easy. Reach out to other customers that already have the solution and get their feedback. They are definitely going to be the ones to because they're not trying to sell you anything, but get feedback from them. And I've actually done that for several people. So.